Hey guys, welcome back. This will be a very short video, much shorter than my normal long-winded, boring videos. Matter of fact, this video is so short I skipped the intro, so that's how short it's going to be. I'm just putting in these little side air deflectors on each side of the radiator. These are the Daniel Carpenter product. I've got a link down below. So basically they just go inside the radiator support here, and they block this space on each side of the radiator. So I wouldn't think that would make a big difference in cooling, but Sean over at Funky 50 channel, I'll put a link down below for that too. He said the air dam that goes down below here really made a difference in the cooling of the car. I always thought maybe just the fan would be enough to pull air through, but I guess forcing more air into this area just assists with that. So I'm thinking maybe these side air deflectors do the same thing. So I'm gonna put those on real quick, and that'll be it. Like I said, way short. My old ones are completely rotted and torn, and they're quite a mess. These are nice, heavy, rubbery product here. They come with the clips you need. So I'm gonna put those in, and that's it. So instead of struggling 100% of this with this in the car, I'm going to do some of it outside the car. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my push pins into these, and that way when I get them into the car, I'm just pushing it into the metal, because they're still quite tight through these holes here. So this is going to be the passenger side. By the way, both these pieces are the same. You just flip them around a different direction. So the passenger side is going to go like so. Driver's side will go like this. Pins going towards the front. So what I mean by struggling to get these in there, it's not easy. It's not an easy to access area of the car, so doing this ahead of time will help. All right, let's do this passenger side first. So this should line up pretty easily with the holes. There we go. So you'll see right on each side of the headlight opening here, there's a hole right above the headlight bracket, and then further down below, that's for these two. And then we'll jump under the car for the other one. And that's it, it's that easy. Just knock the one out on the other side, and then I'll be done. All right, much better. It's definitely blocked out that opening there. And that's it. And hey, I should have made a YouTube short, such a short video. But just wanted to show you guys that I did have to take out the battery tray over here. This makes it a lot easier to get that pin in. Just down behind this. It's going to go behind the coolant overflow hose here. Pin's back way down in there. So yeah, pretty simple. All right, we'll catch y'all later. See ya.